If you're working on multiple investigations at once, the last thing that you want is for the details of one case bleeding into another. Now, that's exactly what cases in Mesher are designed to prevent. So cases let you organize your work by project, keeping each investigation fully compartmentalized, its own emails, its own analysis, its own context. Clean separation from the start means cleaner conclusions in the end. Within each case, you'll also have access to a few powerful features worth highlighting here. So first, the case hypothesis tool. Before you upload a single email, you can define what you're looking for. Names, addresses, behavioral patterns, technical indicators, even just a gut feeling. Once the hypothesis is in place, every email that you upload gets analyzed through that specific lens. The more precise your hypothesis, the more targeted your results. But even a vague suspicion is worth entering here. Give the system a hunch, and it'll look to develop it into something that's far more concrete. Second, we also have team assignment. So as the case admin, you can assign individual team members directly to a specific case. Everyone working that investigation stays focused on the right material and nothing bleeds across cases. So to create a new case, make sure that you're on the main cases page here and then click on Add Case button, which you'll see right here. Now, a dialog will appear where you can enter your case name and description, assign it to a category, and set its status, either active or inactive. Now, you'll typically mark a case inactive once the investigation is complete, which keeps your workspace tidy without permanently removing anything. Now, once a case is saved, you can edit it at any time by clicking on this edit button here and then making whatever changes are needed. Now, once you're ready to get to work on a case, all you need to do is click on View Case to open the main case page. Now, this is the heart of Mesher, where you'll upload emails, you'll run analysis, you'll collaborate with your team, and you'll start pulling the signal out from the noise. But I don't want to get ahead of ourselves here. We're going to talk about this analysis tool in the next tutorial. So that's cases in a nutshell. I hope to see you over in the next one.